Hi students, my name is Miss Garnett and I will be your third grade teacher this year. I'm very excited for all of you to be in my blended class this year to learn all about fractions. We will first start with a basic get to know you activity that will help you get familiar with the faces and voices of both me and your peers. Please follow along with my instructions in this video and pause when I tell you to and go ahead and complete the task I pose. This activity is designed to help you feel comfortable in this classroom and begin to develop trust within myself and your classmates. Building trust and feeling comfortable in this class will allow you to share your own ideas and opinions without being scared. I want you to be creative and honest with all your responses. The first thing I will have you do when I say pause is click on the Google Slides presentation I shared with each of you. This is also found in the module for week number 1. I will show you that right now, make myself small. So you can either access the module section on the home page right here or over here on the little sidebar tool section. So I will access it on the home page to show you that. And once you have found this, once you've gotten to where I'm at right now, you will click on the presentation that I have shared right here. And you can make the screen bigger by clicking on this that I'm holding my cursor over. Or if you can see it, you can just read it off the screen. So I have listed some questions for you to answer. These 5 questions are the ones I want you to answer in your Flipgrid video. I will post one for you to see as an example of me talking and me answering those same questions. So go ahead and write these questions down that are right here, or you can do the split screen method that most of you know how to do. So that way you can have the questions pulled up and are available for you to see when you're answering them in your video. So go ahead now and pause this video so you can find and write down the 5 questions in the Google Slides. So now you should have your questions in front of you somehow. Next, I will help you find the section under week number 1 for the Flipgrid video responses. So go ahead and click on modules again, and you will see Flipgrid video responses right here. Go ahead and click on that, and your screen will look like this, but that's okay. We'll log in with Google, and all of your accounts should work. Click on mine. Login successful. So now it should come up with this screen, and each of the 5 questions I'm asking you are listed right here again, and just in case you didn't get them on the Google Slides presentation. And right now you only see my video, which is what it's supposed to look like if you're the first person, I guess. And so I will have you watch my video first, and then you will add your own video right here with the plus button. And you will answer with your own responses. Please be creative. Share as much as you want your classmates and I to know about you. Feel free to use any props. You can use your favorite song to play in the background, or you can use pictures and show pictures of your family, your friends, your pets. And just feel free to make your video as fun and interesting as you want. So go ahead now and pause this video to create your own Flipgrid. Alright, welcome back. So you should now have your Flipgrid video recorded and completed. Next, I will have you watch and respond to at least 2 other friends, or you can respond to mine as well. So this is how you respond. You will click on their video. We won't watch mine right now. Okay, so you will have their video pulled up, and you will click on this right here where it says reply. You will click on that and record another video. And I would like you to ask them 1 or more questions that you would like to use to get to know them more. Go ahead and pause this video and complete that task now. Awesome job. Hopefully you are keeping up with this video just fine, like I know all of you will. Now I will have you go back into the Google Slides presentation. We are at the very start. So go to modules, Google presentation, and we will go ahead and make this big since we're going to be editing it. All of you should have access to this as well. So now I will have you, so you're going to go back into this Google presentation that you opened up and find the slide that has your first and last name on it. So here's mine, and I found my name. And I want you to type out your answers to the same questions on here, as well as insert a picture of yourself onto the slide. That is one thing I still have to do, but you can see right here that I have answered all of my 5 questions in the same way that I have answered them on my Flipgrid video. You can change them up a little bit, make them a little shorter so they're not so lengthy if you talked a lot on your video. And in 2nd grade, I know all of you learned how to edit a slide and insert pictures, so I'm very confident that you all know how to do this. Go ahead and pause this video now and complete this task. Now that you are done with the slides, you are almost done with this assignment. Now go to the assignment section, which we'll get out of this presentation, and you're going to go to the assignment section right here. You will see week number 1 online community building activity. You will click on that. Here you can see the rubric in which I will be grading you on, and you will click submit assignment right here, and you will make a text entry to tell me that you have completed this. So you will either type in done, or you can just type in finished or completed or anything like that to let me know you have finished these steps before this. So once you are done with this, you will hit submit assignment once you have typed done, and this will send me a notification saying you are done and you're ready for me to grade this. And once you are done with all of this, come prepared for our first in-class discussion on Friday to share your own answers in front of the class. We will have everyone present, and you will also have an opportunity to ask more questions to your peers. This way, you will be able to meet everyone in the class if you did not watch all of the Flipgrid videos. I hope you all had a fabulous summer and are looking forward to the school year. I am so excited to meet all of you.